My name's Heather Donahue. I'm the owner of Catty Corner Cafe, located in the historic part of Leesburg, Virginia. I started, our grand opening was not that long ago, it was April 1st, and we've had a great turnout since we opened. People are coming and loving this cafe, hanging out, and getting cats adopted is a bonus. As a cat cafe owner, we have a cat lounge where the cats do live here. Essentially, it's a foster home for the cats. So we are partnered with the Last Chance Animal Rescue, which is located in Waldorf, Maryland. They have a shelter there. They also have a vet there that takes care of the animals, and that's where these cats come from. Last Chance, they are also partner with the PetSmarts and Petcos in the area, so they are a huge rescue operation that rescue about 10,000 cats a year. Belonging to me is a sense of feeling accepted, feeling confident in where you are, and feeling love, and being embraced with other people with that same connection. I definitely feel a connection and belonging to the town of Leesburg. It's a small little town, and I live right down the street, so all the small owners, business owners here have been very supportive, so I feel like I belong here. Well, cats have little souls, and they're amazing creatures, and they belong in a forever home. That is the mission of our business model, to get these cats adopted to a forever home. And when people come and hang out with them at Catty Corner Cafe, they figure out which cat belongs to them. The cat will choose their owner.